Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel, and today we are diving into one of the most luxurious and innovative RVs you'll see on the road, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling 5-star suite built for those who refuse to compromise on comfort, style, and performance. Get ready, because what you're about to see will completely change the way you think about road trips and RV living. From the moment you lay eyes on the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome, it's clear that Cadillac has pulled out all the stops. The exterior design is a statement of power and elegance. Sleek lines, a bold grille with the signature Cadillac crest, and chrome accents that shimmer under the sun. The LED lighting runs across the front in a dramatic fashion, making it look more like a futuristic concept vehicle than a motorhome. And yes, it sits on a heavy-duty chassis, so you get a perfect combination of strength and smooth highway performance. Step inside, and this is where the Cadillac magic truly begins. The interior feels more like a luxury penthouse than an RV. As soon as you enter, you are greeted by hand-stitched leather seating, polished wood trim, and soft ambient lighting that gives the entire space a warm and inviting glow. The living area is spacious with plush captain's chairs that rotate to create a lounge setting. A massive OLED smart TV rises from the cabinet with just a push of a button, perfect for movie nights on the road. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Cadillac has equipped it with premium stainless steel appliances, including a convection oven, induction cooktop, and even a wine cooler. The solid surface countertops and deep farmhouse sink make it practical and elegant. There's generous storage throughout the cabin, so whether you're on a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip, you'll have room for everything. Move towards the rear and you'll find the bedroom suite. This is where Cadillac really flexes its luxury muscle. The king-size memory foam bed features an adjustable base, and there's a panoramic window, so you can wake up to the sunrise wherever you park. The room is equipped with a second entertainment screen, climate control system, and plenty of wardrobe space. It truly feels like a private hotel room on wheels. And of course, no luxury motorhome is complete without a stunning bathroom. This one has a full-size rain shower, porcelain toilet, and heated floors, something you rarely find in RVs. Cadillac has gone above and beyond to make sure every detail screams luxury and comfort. On the road, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome drives like a dream. The advanced adaptive suspension soaks up bumps, and the powerful V8 engine gives you plenty of confidence when overtaking. Driver assist features like lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make maneuvering this giant surprisingly easy. Overall, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome is not just transportation, it's an experience. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time RVer, this is the kind of rig that turns every journey into a first-class adventure. If you want the absolute best in comfort, design, and performance, this motorhome might just be your dream come true.